prime grade filet mignon. Today, I'll show you a powerful marinade that works beautifully for filet mignon and elevates almost any cut of meat. Cut into evenly sized pieces for consistent cooking. Two tablespoons olive oil. Salt. Black pepper. Garlic powder. And smoked paprika. Now squeeze in 1 lemon. Get all that juice in. Add yogurt. Then 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. Mix everything well until fully combined. Let it marinate for 2 hours. Short on time, 30 minutes still works. Now skewer the filet mignon. Already feels more tender and juicy in hand. You can feel the difference. Charcoal in. Fire it up. Place skewers on the charcoal grill. Turn every 2 to 3 minutes for even cooking. Fast cook about 9 to 10 minutes total. Look at that. This whole plate is a flavor bomb, waiting to explode. Subscribe for more marinades and pro grilling tips.